Hey guys, it's Monique. Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind how bad I look. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my soft locks. This is not a tutorial, even though I briefly explain like later on. So what you're going to need is edge booster. You're going to need shine and jam, to get your parts crisp, and you're going to just need eco gel. I also use this olive oil thing to soften my hair. You're gonna need a spray bottle and some combs to part your hair. So I'm starting off by just wetting my hair because my hair is really dry. It needs to be wet before I detangle. This is the back. I did the back already, so we're just gonna be focusing on the front. I would say that I did the front way too small. Like, it definitely could have been bigger, but whatever. So I'm just taking my olive oil. It's not an oil, it's like of this product that you just put on your hair, and it just makes it easier to just comb your hair out. I should have showed it better, but whatever, too late. And just braiding your hair, and I just keep doing that until I part the front of my head. I just ended up parting it way too small, but I just wanted the front to be smaller than the back, so it lasts longer. It's all about the front, but I just took it and ran with that, and the front is just so small. But yeah, I just keep doing this process over and over until I finish the whole thing. So here's the hair that I used. I'll put the name of it in the description so you guys know exactly what it's called. I got about 4 packs because 30 come in each, and I have this Locs hair that's curly that you kind of wrap around it. So yeah, this is not a tutorial, but I'll kind of briefly explain what I did. So I got my crochet needle. I just push it through my braid, take the dread, pull it through, and then basically secure it by tying it around my hair and the actual dread, and that's how it is secured. Okay, so now I'm taking my crochet needle, sticking it through the dread, and basically just pulling my hair through it. This is optional. Like, I didn't have to do this. I could have just wrapped it, but I just decided to do it anyway. Then I took the curly Locs hair. I took about 2 strands. I pushed it through the dread, and now I'm just twisting it around the actual dread so I can like cover my hair. And I just keep doing that until there's no more hair to wrap. And that's basically it. And then you just keep repeating the same process over and over until you're done. So since I finished my hair, what I'm gonna do is just put mousse on it now. I put a lot of mousse because I have a lot of jets in my hair, and I need my hair to be laid and flat because right now it's looking like a mop on my head. So I add a generous amount of mousse, and then I'm just taking my hand and distributing it throughout my hair until I feel like it's enough. And then I just take a scarf and I just tie my head and just wait a few minutes until I feel like I could take it off and it's fully absorbed into my hair. This is the finishing product. It came out so nice and full. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're wondering anything, look in the description. I'm pretty sure it's going to be there, the name of the hair, how many packs, my social media, and whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.